1793 was prior to the Irish state, so it was granted by the British authorities at the time. The Lord Lieutenant.
Of course, yeah, of course.
And the Lord Lieutenant issued the license to a gentleman by the name of Sheedy, John Sheedy.
Yeah.
And he lived in Gardner Place in Dublin at a time when Gardner Place would have been the embassy district. And it takes 42 hours for them to filter feed. Okay? And once a month, our oysters... Yes, because if ever you saw a donkey's foot badly shaped, you ever see a donkey where his feet get too... Like this guy.
Ah, that's also like the rings?
The rings are there, and you can see here how
Yeah.
he's improving all the time.
Yeah.
This guy had a little bit of a story to tell us. At grading and understanding the weights and the shapes than men, right?
You mind me?
And hard work. And this will show you now in a minute. Now you see the broken shell falling into the water?
Yes.
See lots of growth. See the white cutie?
Oh,
Lots of
incredible,
growth.
yes.
Okay. And look, they are quite delicate.
Yeah,
They are delicate. I mean,
Kind. I take also one with me because that's...
it's okay.
Yeah, you don't... Yeah, also not...
Again,
Okay.
I'm just going to just put the knife in here. Can you see there? Is it okay? He's going to be difficult.
Yeah. That's a bit...
And I've prized them up. You see that? I've got the knife in.
Yeah.
And I work him along. And I take him. Now look at the mitts on him.
Wow, that's a big one.
That's nice.
1, 2,
2, 3.